My name is Claude, a final year student pursuing electronics and telecommunication engineering. My project is called AgRift, and AgRift is a smart robot which is able to revolutionize farming. And the reason why designing this innovation is that from the research we have conducted, we found that agriculture sector contributes almost 30% to GDP of this country and also employ 70% of the entire population. From this research, we also realized that there are some challenges or the problems that are still hindering the agriculture productivity. The one we have figured out is a labor shortage, which commonly exists in planting and harvesting peak time, where there is a labor shortage problem. That's where the idea came from, and we started looking how we can bring innovative project that is going to overcome that issue. So with that, we designed this smart robot named AgriRobot, which is a kind of smart robot, as its name suggests. It's a robot which is able to help in agriculture sector by seed placement and fertilizers distribution during that labor shortage period. As you know, the innovations journey never gets easier. First of all is to realize what is the problem, and then the problem itself is not enough. You need to know the root cause of that problem, and then you come up with idea, as we need to think the feasibility of that idea. So that's where we came with idea of doing that robot, and that aligns with the emerging technologies. We are modernizing the agriculture sector to come up with that technology in order to solve that issue with innovative solution like that. I think it was easy because we use the skills and the knowledge we acquired from the classes, because we are equipped with the skills and knowledges. The challenge I can say is during implementation. During implementation, there is lack of different components. Like me, I'm from electronics department, as you can see. So finding all the components, all the devices you need to build at least the prototype, and you verify the feasibility of that idea never gets easy. That was the challenge, the first challenge. But as time comes, we're still working on this to moving forward to the prototype. So while working on this project, I have learned a lot of lessons. Firstly is to be resilient and keep pushing forward to your goals. Engage in team working. The future of my project is that by the time we end this prototype, it will be a good time for us now to check the feasibility of our idea. So once the prototype is done, then we are going to have a collaboration with industry for mass production and seek for these smart devices, robots, emerging technologies, revolutionizing the farming in general, and then contribute to the country in general. Our robot will be relying on the precision, either in seed placement to avoid the wastage from manual labor, then also to precisely distribute fertilizers without wastage. Engage with, and then the next step is to ensure that all challenges depending on our customer, our country demographic, depending on different regions, because this robot is going to vary on the actual behavior of the soil, for instance. Then we are going to ensure that all those challenges are solved before we deploy this system into action. And then lastly, it will be for mass production. timbuktoo initiative and UniPod Rwanda served as very good platform for us by providing, first of all, the space like this one, providing with this equipment. That was the challenge, the first challenge, to take our idea from the concept up to prototype stage. It's not only that, but also in terms of mentorship. They provided all means of mentorship by mentoring us how we can continue and pursue our project from the concept stage we thought before to prototype stage, that in order to verify that feasibility of our idea. The advice I can give to aspiring innovators is that we have to think and use our knowledge and skills and our passion to embrace technologies aiming to solve the existing societal problems.